Hello and welcome to today's lesson. We will be understanding what we mean by investment, speculation, and gambling. Let us start with investment. Now, this is the employment of funds on assets with the aim of earning income or capital gains. Now, what do we mean by that? You put funds in an asset with the aim of earning an income from that asset, or with the hope that the value of that asset will increase, giving you a capital gain or capital appreciation. So there is a certain sacrifice of present consumption on the promise of an uncertain future consumption. You are putting funds that you could have otherwise consumed today in an asset for the promise of an uncertain future assumption. Why is this uncertain? Because you don't have that guarantee that the asset will appreciate in value so that you can get capital gains. You don't, well, maybe in some cases you don't have the guarantee of earning an income from that asset. So that is what we mean by investment. We can also say that it is a form of vehicle in which funds can be placed with the expectation that they will be preserved. That is one. That they will increase in value. That is two. Or that they will generate positive returns. So you're putting funds in this asset, in this vehicle, with the expectations that they will be preserved. Maybe you're hedging against inflation with the expectation that they will increase in value, so you will get your capital gains, or they will generate positive returns. So in investment, we have this trade-off between risk and expected returns. It is that simple. So let us look at a speculation. Now, speculation is taking up of business risk for short-term gain. There is this expectation of profit from price fluctuations in the near future. You have that expectation. The time factor is generally short as compared to investment. That is a very major difference between speculation and investment. So you're taking up this risk, business risk, for a short-term gain. The term here is short-term. So you have that expectation to profit from price fluctuations, an increase in price of the assets that you have put your funds in. Okay, so the difference here, the major difference here is this time factor. It is generally short as compared to investment. Of course, investment, the time in investment is generally longer. Now, what is gambling? Gambling or a gamble is usually a very, note the word very, short-term investment in a game of chance. Very short-term, okay? So the time here is shorter than speculation. The time is shorter, of course, than investment. The time factor is very, very short, and that is something you need to note. Now, another thing you need to note about gambling is that there is no amount of analysis that can reduce the risk in gambling. Okay, you cannot, there isn't really much you can do, analysis you can do, information you can gather to be able to reduce the risk of gambling. The risk is way high, and the time is way, way shorter than speculation and investment. And that is the basic difference between investment, speculation, and gambling. Thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and look out for more videos like these ones. Thank you. Bye-bye.